Welcome to my channel. We have started solving geometric construction questions. This is question number 2. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please consider subscribing for more educational content. This is the question I will guide you to solve today. Begin by drawing a straight line using a ruler. Mark point P on the drawn line. Set your compass to 9 centimeters. Place the compass at point P and draw an arc to intersect the straight line. Name this point point Q. Construct perpendicular to PQ at Q. This means constructing a 90-degree angle at Q. In question number 1, I explained in detail how to construct a 90-degree angle. You can also watch my video titled, How to Construct a 90-degree Angle for further understanding. Construct angle QPS equals 60 degrees. This means constructing a 60 degrees angle at P. Place the compass at point P and open it to any convenient radius to draw an arc that intersects the line PQ. Using the same radius, draw an arc on the already drawn arc to create a 60-degree angle. Measure 6.5 centimeters on the line to get point S. Draw a parallel line to PQ through S. First, draw a perpendicular to the line PQ through S. With your compass at point S, open the compass to draw 2 arcs that intersect line PQ to the left and right of point S. With your compass at the left point, draw an arc above line PQ and on the right. Draw an arc that intersects the first arc. Draw a line from point S through the intersection of the arcs to intersect line PQ. Name the point O. Open your compass to SO along the perpendicular. Using this radius, draw arcs by stepping at different points on the line PQ. Draw a line to pass through the apex of these arcs and point S. To get the parallel to PQ through point S, this parallel line will meet the perpendicular line through point Q at R. Measure the distance from point P to point R using your ruler. The answer is 10.7 centimeters. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.